Terrazzo flooring is a type of flooring that consists of chips of stone or concrete that are ground down and then polished to create a smooth and hard surface. You can take a look at some of the chips or aggregates used for the terrazzo pavement. As you can see here, the aggregates are being mixed with cement to form a very good and workable mix. After mixing the aggregate with cement, the mix is transported and poured in position. Beating and rolling takes place immediately. The purpose of rolling is to ensure that all aggregates are all embedded and surrounded by a matrix of cement binder. The rolling process also allows the cement, that is the binder, to fully coat all the aggregates so that they all bind together cohesively. Once the rolling process is complete, the entire surface is left for curing. The curing period is a minimum of 24 hours. The next stage is grinding. The grinding is done in order to smoothen the surface of the pavement. During the grinding, the floor is transformed from a rough surface to a very smooth surface. Some of the advantages of terrazzo pavement is that it's easy to clean and maintain. It's also very durable, and it is suitable for commercial and residential buildings.